Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is February 25th. Kind of a mixed feeling this morning for the markets. Corn actually up just a quarter of a cent. Beans up 2.5, with wheat up 3.25. So finding a little bit of strength. But export sales released this morning, neutral for corn. They were expecting 700,000 to 1.2 million metric tons. Came out just above a million metric tons. So within expectation there. Beans, 300,000 to 700,000. Quite a big range. Came out at 328, so just barely making that. And then for wheat, 200,000 to 400,000 came in at 486. A little better than expectation, but we'll see what happens as we get going today. More news that is being talked about is USDA's Ag Forum that is going on right now. You've got some presentations here this morning talking mostly on the grains, and they have put out some acreage numbers now for at least for this coming year. So the expectation, though, is about a 2 million acre increase for corn. They are projecting a slight increase for beans and actually a decline of about 3.6 million acres as far as wheat. So we'll see what the market does with this when we reopen, kind of how we trade throughout the day. But we've got those numbers now to deal with. So we'll see what happens as far as that. Other than that, there's not a lot of news. No South American news to talk about just yet, or anything else to excite the market. Some of these outside markets, though, crude oil has been back and forth of unchanged. Stock market's still up a little bit, but we do have China that is giving back, or overnight has given back all of its gains that it had in its market since their new year. So keep an eye on that. Are we going to go back talking about China again and some of the effects they have? We may, maybe not. We'll have to see. As far as cattle, 40 cents higher this morning, still trying to surge a little bit higher. I don't have any cash news for you here yet today. We do get into that seasonal time frame, early March, where we do end up seeing these front contracts topping, and we see more of a seasonal decline. So keep an eye on that. As far as hogs, we're mixed right now. March 1st is typically the peak for the April contracted hogs, and we do end up seeing a decline for that usually as we get into March. So, but today, not a lot of news there, just remaining pretty mixed overall. Stock market, as I mentioned, 42 higher at this time. Crude oil is down about 15 cents, and we've got the dollar up about 10. So give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or online at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.